So I'm here with James Fudge from the MTA, and it is Wednesday of MACH 2018. How's the show gone for you, James?
Do you know, it's been absolutely fantastic. Today we've seen a lot more people through the door. Monday, Tuesday and today we're up on visitor figures from 2016. So it's really exciting when you see the halls this busy.
To be fair, we've been speaking to some of your customers, shall we say, and they are really pleased with the results, and they're making orders, which is technically a lot of it, and, you know, brand awareness, what it's all about, isn't it?
Yeah, I think that's the thing is, you know, with MACH we've always prided ourselves on the fact that people do come along and sign contracts and we actually see business being done.
So we're halfway through the week. Now tell me about, you know, we've just walked past this stand, but you've got another stand behind you.
So yeah, as well as the MTA stand, which obviously the association stand, we've also got a stand for our 2020 sales. So this morning we opened sales for MACH 2020. We've already sold to a large number of companies ready for the show in 2 years' time. Tomorrow it opens up for non-members, so we've still got another 2 days where people can come along and pick their stand.
Exactly. As James just said, there is another 2 days, so there's still time to come down to the NEC and enjoy MACH 2018.